QQQ Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Bro, with having 40,000 videos made and in the market for 5 years, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And the first thing on the list with the Invesco QQQ Trust, it's going to be that I'm obviously looking to double down right on the long side. Well, it was it was my whole bias to begin with beforehand, and all I have to say that was great. It has performed great for me, and the only way that I'm gonna kind of look to double down is that's my top 540. There's a 2-hour chart here. Okay, so yeah, how I'm looking at this thing is only will get involved as long as I see some sort of like a double break here or whatever. Right, that meaning that if there's no sort of pull down and a double shift, then obviously I'm not going to be buying. And I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate stuff, but all I'm doing in the meantime, manually, is I'm just waiting. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.